Right, our breads are now out of the oven, our sweet dough shapes, and we've got a lovely little selection here. We've got our spiky hedgehogs and our snakes as well, and you can see that they've split a little along the side. They're a little bit wonky in places. But again, it's not about perfection. It's about residents and participants really enjoying themselves and enjoying the whole process of finishing off some lovely dough. We've also got our love heart here as a sharing bread, so that can be broken apart and everybody can have some buns. It's important to add that with a sweet dough, it is likely to brown quite quickly because it's got that sugar in it and that extra fat. So it's important to keep an eye on it, and you will get a browner dough if the oven is a little bit hotter than you expect. If that is likely to happen, then you can just cover them with some foil while they're baking. As long as the bread reaches about 96 degrees or reaches 96 degrees in the middle, then everything's great. So it's just keeping an eye on it to make sure it doesn't go too dark. And then everybody can enjoy their bread. So if we just break open this bread, it's a beautifully soft bread, which perhaps is particularly good for participants who have difficulty chewing. So that's something to keep in mind. And if we just break open this sharing bread, you can see the lovely crumb inside the buns, and just how soft that is. And it's only a gentle sweetness, it's not overly sweet. But people really enjoy this dough. If we have a look at one of the hedgehogs, if we open this one up, again, this one's a little bit more cooked on the outside, but again you can see how soft and lovely that is. And if people want to add jam to it or something sweet, then that's great. It's also lovely with some cheese. So if you want to make that at home for your family, that's another tip that I'd like to share.